Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9835P. 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Tuxedo black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle. Sedans Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, dual zone automatic climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable, radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with auxiliary input and USB, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, MOONROOF control and home link. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.